Okay, here I will show you how to solve these problems. So in this one, we have to find, so it says a company has several employees, each earning a certain wage per hour. A summary of their wages is presented in the frequency table. So this is the table. So what we do first is you want to add these, and adding these would be 45. And then you can also write it down. So it would be 2 plus 18 plus 14 plus 8 plus 3 equals 45. And then you want to grab, it says right here, making more per hour, so it would be these two. So you add these two. So 8 plus 3 equals 8, 9, 10, 11. Right? So you have these two. And then you would do 11 divided by 45 times 100 equals 24.44%. So it's saying round to your answer to the nearest percent. So it would be 24%. And then for this one, it would be finding the mean of boxes. So when you do that, you do the mean, and then equals, and then it's the sum of, value and then the bottom one is number of values. So when you do that, you do mean, and then you add all these numbers. So you want to add 18 plus 13 plus 24 plus 24 plus 17 plus 24. And then you want to divide by 6. We get 6 because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this would equal 120. And then you divide by 6. So the total would be 20. So 20 would be the mean. And then we have this one because we want to find the median. So the median is the middle number. So you want to put these in order. 12, 16, 17. Then you do 21, 28, 30, and 31. So what I want to do is I want to cross 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and we get 21. So 21 is the median. And then for this one, we want to find the SAT and ACT C-scores. So what you want to do is you write down this, then you subtract 150, 1,500, and then you want to divide by 250, and that would give us 1.40. And you do the same thing to the bottom. It's 20.8 divided by 4.8. That would equal 1.46. And then it says, yeah, so we want to provide the answer below. So for the SAT, it's this one. It would be 1.40. And for the other one is 1.46. And then for this question, it says that we want to find between blank seconds and blank seconds. So for this one, it says to use a 95. So that it would be x minus 2s, right? So that would be for that. And then for the s would be x plus 2s. So you want to do is 37.2 that's the x, minus 2, and then you do 6.2, right? So you multiply. So this would give us, and then you want to put down the same, you know, subtract, and then what we got here would be 12.4, right? And then when you do this, the total would be 24.8, and then you do the same one for this other one, but you're gonna add on this side. So it's 37.2 plus 2, and then 6.2, and then we do 7.2 plus what we got here, so that's gonna be the same thing here, 0.4, and then that would give us the total of 49.6. And then it says round to the nearest tenth. So for 24, we do 25. And then for the other one is 50, because we're rounding to the nearest tenth. And then for the bottom one would be, and then for this one, we want to find the variance, right? So the formula would be x equals xi minus x to the 2, and then it's n minus 1. So it would be, we want to find the mean first. You do 6 plus 3 plus 14 plus 11 plus 14 plus 6, and then that would give us, and then you divide by 6, 54, and then you divide by 6 equals, it would equal 9, right here. And once you do that, since you already got 9, you already know it's going to be 6 minus 9 to the power of 2, and then 3 minus 9 to the power of 2, and then 14 minus 9 to the power of 2, and then 11 minus 9 to the power of 2, and then 14 minus 9 to the power of 2, and then 6 minus 9 to the power of 2. So that would give us, so 6 minus 9 to the power of 2 would be negative 3. And then 3 minus 9, it would be negative 6. And then this one would be 5. And then you do the power of 2 here. And 11 minus, that would be 2. And you do the power of 2. And then for this one would be 5, because it's the same one as this one, to the power of 2. And then it would be positive 3, right? And then it would equal, so 3 times 3 is 9, so it's going to be positive, not negative. And then for this one, it would be 36. And for this one, 25, 4, 25, and 9. Then you add these, so it's 108. Then you want to do the formula. I like this one. This x power of 2, and then n minus 1, right? So we have that, so that's what you do is 180 divided by 6 minus 1 equals 180 divided by 5. Total would be 21.6. And then it says final round 1 to 1 decimal. So it would be 21.7.